all the distinguished guests here present, ladies and gentlemen. Indeed, it is my distinct pleasure to join you for the inaugural Afro-Asian Fintech Festival. I am pleased to note that the MOU sets the foundation for joint innovation projects on the application of key emerging technologies such as digital mobile payments, blockchain, big data, and artificial intelligence. These projects will enhance the digital infrastructure in both countries and catalyze trade and investment between Asia and Africa.
I'm Timothy Oriedo, a certified data scientist and an executive business coach. I was invited by the central bank to come and talk about the opportunities and challenges around blockchain implementation. As a certified data scientist, there's a very critical linkage with data science and blockchain. One of those linkages comes in from the three pillars of blockchain. The three pillars of blockchain are technology, business application, and trust protocol. So under the technology pillar, we have three elements involved. So we have the data aspect. So the data aspect is the distributed ledger. It has to ensure that the data that you're putting into a blockchain platform is trusted. The second element is distributed computing, so which means that whatever you are processing and the power that's used to process any data on the blockchain platform has to be done simultaneously. And then lastly now is the algorithms. So algorithms is the inscriptions that are used to encrypt the information, which is the data that's shared across the network. We as data scientists are involved a lot in the inscription and also trying to clean up the data that is processed through the blockchain platforms. Now when you talk about money laundering and you run through the same features that I've given you, now you see what space the regulators are playing in that. Yeah. So when you talk about the technology stack, are we investing in the right technologies? Technology does not come just from top down. The people within the organization are the guys who actually drive the technology side. So what are we doing to invest in scaling up the technologies that we have? So we have initiatives like retooling and reskilling the workforce, first to be aware about those availability of those technologies, and perhaps what the regulator needs to do is to encourage now the business use cases of that. Yeah, so we find that because of the emerging shifts in regulatory landscape, right now we are talking about new currencies being introduced, and you could see the drama that's coming with that. One of the things we do when we monetize currency, which is digitalization of currency, we're able to track what you call money velocity. So you're able to track how quick the transaction moves from one individual to another. And through such initiatives, this is a step towards achievement of such critical objectives.